Hello everyone, and welcome back. This is Bronze Lock Picker 60, and before I begin to pick a lock, I want to apologize for not making videos lately. It's been crazy. I've been sick and just life crap in general, you know. So, without further ado, I'm going to attempt to pick this ABUS 41. Number 41, 45 mil. Come on, baby, focus. There you go. Laminated. As you can see, I don't have a key for it. I have not been able to pick anything. Not even a master lock number 3. So, without further ado, let's see if I can get into this bad boy. I hope everyone's doing well. Alright. Come on, baby. Focus. Alright. It feels like, and I have not picked this, it feels like there's some spools. Oh. There you go. So, let's do it again. Okay. Okay. Come on, baby. Got a full set. And there we go. Alright, everyone. Well, hopefully my next video will be a challenge lock of sorts. I want to thank everyone for tuning in. I hope everyone's doing well. And as always, stay calm and pick on. Oh, and by the way, I want to give a shout out to my good friend, Pin Pusher. I have something ready for you, my man. So hopefully I'll send it out next week. So everyone, thanks for tuning in. And like I say at the end of all my videos, stay calm and pick on. Alright, everyone. Bye-bye.